Can you turn on AI subtitles in VLC Media Player? So let's check it out fast. First of all, my bestie friends, we need to check the version. There are two ways to do that. For the first method, go to the Help option in VLC. After that, my superstar friends, go to About. Here you'll see the version. To enable AI subtitles, you'll need to wait for the upcoming feature, which may be available in version 4.0 instead of 3.0. But for now, we can try updating VLC. To do that, close this page and go to the Help option again. Then my rockstar friends, click on the Check for Updates option here. Then click Yes. The new version will start downloading. After it downloads, then click Install. If it asks for permission, click Yes. Now make sure the first option is selected, the one that says recommended. Then click Next. Now VLC will start installing, which may take a little time. At this point, my favorite friends, like the video, it really supports me. After it installs, click Finish, then open VLC. Now go to the Help option again and check the version one more time. If it's 4.0, you may see the AI subtitles option. If it's lower than 4.0, make sure to try another method too. For that, open your browser and search download 4.0 VLC for PC. Next, my superhero friends, go to the official VLC website page. After that, a page like this will open. Before pressing the download VLC button here, check the version first. As you can see, even in this version, AI subtitles still seem almost impossible. So now there's really only one option left. Just wait. Still got any problem? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching.